guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today we are going to be making a baked gnocchi recipe. I love this recipe, but the good thing about this is if you don't have gnocchi on hand, which I know some people won't, you can actually substitute it for pasta and just make it like a baked pasta dish. So easy, so delicious, just perfect for this time right now. Just a little bit of comfort food and love. So I wanted to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how it comes together, just keep on watching. Okay, so to make this, you're going to need some gnocchi. If you don't have any, substitute it for any pasta you have. Some kale, any pasta sauce. I usually just do crushed tomatoes, but I didn't have any on hand, so this is what I'm using right now. You're going to need some pepper, red pepper flakes, basil, salt, onions, garlic. This is just some, what is this? Oh, mozzarella and parmesan. You're gonna need some olive oil and a skillet with high sides. So into my skillet, I already added in my olive oil. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this on like medium-low heat, and I'm gonna add in my onions and kind of cook those down for a little bit, just to kind of give me, you know, a little base for what I'm working with. I'm sorry, I have a mint in my mouth, so please forgive me if I'm talking funny. Alright, I'm going to babysit this for a few minutes, and then I'll show you what you're looking for when it's there. Alright, my onions are nicely cooked down. That's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm going to add in my garlic at this point. I'm going to just let this cook for about 60 seconds or so, just enough to get this the garlic nice and fragrant, and then we're going to continue. All right, at this point I'm going to add in my kale, and I know this seems like a lot, but trust me, once this cooks down, it's going to be like nothing. So I'm going to let this cook for a few minutes until it completely cooks down, and then I will show you what to do next. Alright, look at this, has really cooked it down beautifully. So I've turned the heat down to low. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add in my sauce. Like I said, I usually use just regular crushed tomatoes and season it myself, but I didn't have any on hand. So, and then what I do to get the rest out is I just take a little bit of water and just kind of swish it around in there to get everything out. I'm going to just give this a nice stir. It smells so good. I'm going to give this all the seasonings it needs. So some salt, black pepper, as little or as much as you want. I usually do fresh basil, but I didn't have any, so dry basil it is. And then a pinch of red pepper flakes. This is optional, you can leave this out, but I really think it makes a difference. I'm going to let this simmer for a few minutes, and at this point you're going to preheat your oven to 450, and you're going to cook your gnocchi. And when that's all set, I'm going to meet you here so we can kind of finish this off before we put it in the oven. Okay, so my gnocchi is done. You know it's done when it floats up to the top. So I shut the heat off on my sauce, and what I'm going to do now, let's see if I can do this, is I'm going to take the gnocchi and I'm going to take it directly from here and put it into here. And if you get some of the pasta water, even better. There we go. So I'm going to finish doing this. Oh, my oven preheated. And then I will meet you here so we can finish this off. Into my baking dish, I'm going to add in my gnocchi. Look how beautiful this looks, by the way. And it smells incredible. Okay, just going to kind of level this off like so. And then what you're going to do is kind of zhuzh it around a little bit. Let me get you a little bit more light. There we go. I'm going to sprinkle some cheese, some mozzarella, or whatever cheese you have on hand. Sprinkle it right on top, just like so. And then I have a little bit of parm left, so I'm just going to put some over the top. All right, so look at this, how gorgeous this is. This is gonna go into your preheated oven, which we preheated at 450. It's gonna go in there for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the cheese is like golden brown and bubbly and gorgeous, and then you can go ahead and enjoy.